Before today, these were my two favorite lights. This is a Baton Ultra. This one's got 1800 lumens, and it's got like a 230 meter throw. It's very powerful for what it is, but it is a small light, but it is made out of that OAL aluminum. Then my second favorite, now I always like a little higher lumen light also. This one is 4600 lumen. This is the Seeker 4 Pro from Olight. It comes in this little carrying case here. The only problem was one thing. Did not have a USB-C on the light itself. You had to put it in this case. Now this case you can clip on your belt. I keep it hooked to my ModBox accessory rail. I'll show you a picture here now. And with that, you put the light in. There was a USB-C on this little charging case here that you could see. So it was nice to have. You could still charge it with USB-C, but you had to have it in this case. So whenever you wanted to take this thing off-site, you had to make sure you brought the case with you. You could not just bring this. You could bring this, but then you'd have to bring your little magnetic charger, because that's the only other way to charge it. Now, you can still charge it with the magnetic charger with this, or with USB-C, and this one, of course, is just magnetic charging. This is the Seeker Ultra, and there's some big changes on here, some very important changes that I think is going to make this light a lot more useful. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so here it is, made out of OAL, 1.5 times the strength of titanium. Just a very, very nice looking light. I tell you, here you go. This is the feature right here. It's got USB-C charging now right on the light. You no longer have to have it in this to charge it with this USB-C port here. You can charge it right on the light. You don't even have to use this anymore at all. Although it is very handy to have. This light here is just like the Seeker 4 Pro. If it's in the case, you pull it out, it's already activated. Now, right now, it's on safety, it's not activated. You push the button, nothing happens. You have to turn this dial a little bit, and then press the light, and it comes on. That's just a safety feature in case you accidentally bump this. You don't want it to turn on in your truck or wherever it's at. You turn it on. You can turn this dial to get it brighter if you want to. You can turn it up and down, and you double click it. You'll go to turbo. That turbo is 4800 lumens, and that will run for 2.5 minutes, and it'll step down to 1200 lumens, and that 1200 lumens will run for 2.5 hours. It's got this nice overbold. You can see here it says Seeker Pro right here on the light. You turn it over. This is the first time I've seen Olight do this. It says 4800 lumen with a 265 meter throw right here. Very interesting that they would do that. Of course, here you've got engraved in here Olight made of OAL aluminum. It's got this nice bezel on the end. You got 4 emitters there in the middle. Pretty good heat sinking here. This thing does get hot when it's on turbo, so you do need that heat sinking for sure. Let's unscrew it here. You see you got a little O-ring here. You got this 21,700 cell battery that is 5,800 milliamps. I guess now this is my favorite Olight. What's it come with? Comes with this. Comes with this same type of a holster here. And then it comes with this little clip here where you can use this 3M tape or the provided screws to put this on the wall or your cabinet, wherever you want it. And then it comes with another piece of 3M tape in case you want to relocate it later. And of course you get a USB-C charger. That's it. That's just an overview of the Seeker Ultra 4800 lumen flashlight made of OAL. I'll see you Monday.